Hello, my name is Ryan Roberts and I'm going to show you how to install the fly screen. So the first thing you want to do is get a 13mm socket. We're just going to loosen up one side to start. Go ahead and pull this bolt and reflector tab out. I'm going to grab our fly screen here. Go ahead and just start from one side. I'm going to feed this bolt through on the outside of the headlight bracket. Thread that in, make sure it grabs. From here we're going to go ahead and jump to the other side. Same thing. Reflector tab outside of the bracket, feed it through. Get that starting. There we go. So now we're going to go ahead and snug the bolts up. What I try to look for, you might have to do some adjustments at night for your headlight since it's moving now, but I try to keep it just below perpendicular to the ground, so it's kind of pointing towards the ground. Let's snug this up. Fly screen, you can adjust that more vertical, more back. It's really up to you. I'll go ahead and tighten the other side as well. There you go. Make sure everything's nice and tight and nothing wants to move. And that's how you install a fly screen.